It's easier than you think to spend all the time that you really don't want to be on your phone doing something else. Which is why I don't want you to miss out on this, because this could actually help you a lot. I'm going to go straight into it. The first thing that saved me thousands of hours from going on my phone were setting plans. I want you to right now think of some things that you would like to do tomorrow, and then just write them down or find some way you can actually remember to do those things. Because a lot of the time where I end up scrolling is when I'm not sure what to do. But when I always have those little to-do lists of things that I can do, it always ends up saving my days and me not feeling like I just rotted my brain for 5 hours. It's not that funny, actually. It's pretty sad that that happens a lot. So we have to stop doing this. If scrolling isn't in your to-do list, delete it. Delete the Instagram app, delete TikTok, delete YouTube. I would even delete Chrome off my phone so I couldn't go on Google and search up YouTube. If you keep installing it back, just delete it every time. Delete it every time. Make it so annoying to actually go in the app and start scrolling that you just don't want to do it. It reminds me of this one short that I saw. It was like when you're playing games with your friends, but they suck so badly you would rather just do the thing that you're procrastinating on. Another extra thing about plans, which gave me a lot more productive hours instead of scrolling, were doing stuff that I'm okay with doing alone, but inviting friends or people, they're the same freaking, inviting those people to go out with me for sports practice, for example. Even if they say no one day, if you keep asking them, I believe they're gonna say yes eventually. If you just do that alone, setting plans so when you're not sure what to do, you can look at your to-do list or think about what you wanted to do, I believe that will help you at least cut off 70-60% of the time scrolling and actually doing something else. But how do you do that other 40%? With this thing that I'm about to say, which is being outside. If you have a chance to go outside, take advantage of what's around you. I remember when I first thought of this, I would spend my whole day just exploring what's around where I live. I would go to different stores, I would buy food at different places, get ice cream, get a milkshake, buy some new lights for my room, get a nice smoothie at this one place. Going outside gives you a ton of opportunities that will keep you entertained, like scrolling. You'll learn stuff from it, you'll get better from it, you'll feel there's so many benefits to going outside more. And if you just spend 30 more minutes every day being outside, I recently bought a fireplace for my birthday actually, and I want to use it so I can just spend an hour, 2 hours every single day just chilling there at night instead of just scrolling on my phone. I would like that a lot more. Try to make it a challenge to spend 1 hour more than you normally do right now outside. Then you'll start thinking of more cool ideas of things you can do around where you live. I also made more videos talking about things you can do outside, and also have a little like-minded community. I'm in there and other people are in there, and we're all sharing ideas, challenges, things we can do to get better. So if you want to join that for free, you can in the link in the description. A habit that I'm really glad I got into, which if you haven't, I highly recommend you start getting into this, because you need to do this before it's too late. So when you're with people, instead of just going on your phone, actually try to talk to them. I know it can be rough. I know you might not know exactly what to say for the whole time you want to be on your phone. But it's 1,000 times better to just say something than just go on your phone. That will really help you break the habit of when there's a sliver of free time where you don't know what to do, you just boom, whip out your phone. But if you just put your phone away for a second and try to do something else, I've realized there's a lot more cool things that happen, a lot more special moments from when I'm not on my phone. Being more open to more opportunities alone will just will fill in that 40% to make you never go on your phone again for scrolling. If you actually do them and try them. But if there still is some sliver of chance you can go on your phone and start scrolling, something like that, this last thing will nail the thing in the coffin. And that's to have something to work on. Whether that's a sport, whether that's a job, a business, going to the gym. For me, it's right now having this YouTube channel and talking to you. That's a great way I can not only use social media in a good way, but also not spend more time scrolling. Also just focusing more time on school, because think of all the time we really spend on our phones. Today I probably spent 6 hours on my phone alone, and imagine if I spent 1 or 2 of those hours doing anything else. Literally, I could clean the room, I could clean my house for 2 hours. I can go on a walk for 2 hours. I can try to meet up with a friend for 2 hours. I think we can both agree that if we just spent a little less time scrolling and tried to do something else, that it would help us. So let's try to do that right now. We don't need to watch another video. We don't need to scroll and forget that this video even existed. Forget this channel. Forget my name. Timothy, however you want to say it. Forget that all the points I try to bring up to you to try to help you. I'm not perfect, but this helped me a lot. And if this sort of helped you too, it would really mean a lot if you subscribed to this channel so you can see more videos like this where I'm trying to help you if you like the environment. Also, consider leaving a like so more people can see this, and hopefully we can all stop rotting our brains so much. Yeah, but seriously, I hope you liked this video. Hope you got something out of it. You could think about something, and I'll see you later soon, hopefully. Peace. Goodbye.